The Miracle Center, where dreams become a reality.
The Miracle Center is a non-for-profit Christian-based youth organization whose mission is to serve underprivileged inner-city youth by actively engaging them in the performing arts.
The theater program started roughly about, I'd say 7 or 8 years ago. And it basically started with about 15 students. And then it just grew to like where we have 30 in each session. That the arts are so instrumental and so valuable in getting to know who they are.
Well, I've been able to make a lot of friends in the program and a lot of relationships with people who are like older than me and people who I can look up to, and it's been a really good experience.
The theater program it's been great. I mean, I've been able to grow as an actor and just as a well-rounded performer in general, and everyone's great. I mean, it's just, you build your own family and I love it.
Right now we're working on a theatrical adaptation of a Chicago Puerto Rican story. And that's actually was written and directed by Antonio Francesi. It was actually done about 2 years ago on PBS.
A new documentary premieres tonight right here on Channel 11 that takes a sweeping look at Chicago's Puerto Rican community. It's called Chicago's Puerto Rican Story, and it airs tonight at 7:30. Here's a look at some of the issues the film tackles.
Some of Chicago's labor industries were abusive and unregulated. Many employers violated labor contracts, made arbitrary deductions from workers' salaries, and in many cases didn't pay them at all. It was common practice for some employers to call immigration during payday week. Puerto Ricans, although U.S. citizens, were arrested and held for days before being released. Those that had been arrested had no way to recover their earned wages.
The film was written, produced, and directed by the husband and wife team Antonio and Gloricelli Franceschi.
It's a real eye-opener when you think about it. Like everything that the play, like the message that the play gives off is not something that people are used to.
It's just gonna be like a whole different kind of like story and play that a lot of people don't really see on a daily basis. I mean, it's not the kind of cliche kind of like play that, you know, we have done in the past.
The story is about a family that's from Puerto Rico and their migration to Chicago, actually the United States. And it's about the struggles that the family faces and the hardships that they face when they come to Chicago.
Problems that they had to go through, like with getting jobs and just making, like getting daily basics that everyone needs. Like it was really hard.
My grandparents, they both came from Puerto Rico to the States, and, you know, not knowing English, not, you know, leaving at a very young age. And so I think they're gonna really, as well as I am, we're gonna be able to really respect and understand like what our, you know, grandparents had to go through.
We have different nationalities in this production, and we've shown that there's a commonality between that all immigrant groups have shared. And it just goes beyond a Puerto Rican experience. It's a human experience. And I think that I want them to take away from this, especially this generation that has kind of a detachment to the past generations. Even in their own cultures, this would actually make them have a connection to their own family and to their own history, which I think is so important. And I think we see that right now as we're working on it.
Just a better understanding of everything that the Puerto Ricans had to go through when they were first coming over here. Like, I know we have a really good understanding of what like African Americans went through and the Japanese, and it's, I don't know, you don't really hear the story of Puerto Ricans, so I feel like it'll be a really a big eye-opener for everyone.
When they see the play, I would like the audience to walk away with just an understanding and kind of like a commodity of just like, you know, like of an understanding, and just really know how it was to migrate to the States and be able to understand everyone's point of view.
We will be performing Chicago's Puerto Rican Story here in Chicago on August 5th and 6th, 2011 at the Chicago Center for the Performing Arts.